it's Betz from the Lavender Butterflies. How are you doing? Go ahead and put a comment down here how you're doing. I want to know how you're feeling today. Hopefully you're feeling good, but if not, you're in the right place, because what I do is I help women with health issues learn how to navigate those and to use simple natural remedies like essential oils and supplements to help get you feeling better. So this month we are talking all about home cleaning with essential oils, and why is that so important? What does that have to do with your health? Well, we found out very early on in our essential oil journey the difference that came by using natural cleaners rather than synthetic ones that are made out of chemicals that are kind of heavy duty and high powered and really more than you need, because essential oils will clean your home safely, and they're going to get everything sparkling clean right down below the surface, even where you can't see. It's all sparkling clean, and you're just using a natural ingredient with the essential oils. So when my son was about 4 to 6 months old, he developed a skin issue, and we were told he's just going to have to live with that. And that's really horrible to hear when your child is just really tiny, and he had this skin issue and it bothered him a lot. He wasn't very comfortable. We had to be very careful with his clothing, and we were having to use some options that weren't what we wanted to be using for our baby. So I started researching, and I found about toxins, and I found out about how that home cleaning products that we traditionally use that have like a lot of fragrance or really strong cleaners, they could actually irritate these types of skin issues. So I decided, well, we're going to just try some of these things. So we started making our own laundry soap, and we started using oils like lemon to wipe down the counter instead of using something that was more high powered and something that had chemical fragrances in it. We stopped using like fragrance sprays in the air. We started using the oils, we diffused them. And with all of these changes, what happened was we noticed our son's skin issues started to clear up. We did do a little baby cleanse with the essential oils too, just to be on the safe side. But really, it was the toxins that were in the air, that were in our home cleaning products, that was really causing all of those skin issues to flare up. So now he's a happy 10-year-old boy, and he has no skin issues because we're very careful about the type of cleaners we use in our home. So this is something we're exploring here on the on my social media this month. And we're sharing all kinds of tips and recipes and things for you. And I just want to share, why does this matter, right? So, even more than skin issues, I discovered for myself, my respiratory issues got better, because we had been breathing in these chemical cleaners, and that was irritating my respiratory issues. I was having a lot of head discomfort that it helped those. I was having a lot of issues that we found that just changing out our home cleaning options to the natural essential oils, and later to the Abode home cleaning line as that came out from doTERRA, and it's just made all the difference. And it works so good. One of my irritations when I was looking into all of this was some of the options I tried in the beginning. They were natural, but they didn't work well for me, and they weren't a good solution for our family. So I was really happy to learn about the doTERRA oils and the solution that they were for our family. And I'd love to chat some more with you. Maybe some of this kind of resonates with you, or maybe it's just something you're curious about. You just want to have safer options for yourself and your family. So if you want to chat, I'm always here, and we'll be talking more about this month. All right, talk to you later. Bye.